How to add the Chrome voice search widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize button. Then tap on the Widget panel. Next, in the Add Widgets panel, we scroll down and tap on Chrome. Next, swipe to the left until you see it say Voice Search. Then tap on the Voice Search widget to add it to your widget panel. After that, tap on the Close button. Then tap on the Close button again to close the Add Widgets window. Then tap on Done. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now go to your lock screen by pressing on the lock button. And in here, you should be able to see the Chrome voice search widget. So tapping on that will allow you to quickly unlock your iPhone and use the voice search to search with Chrome. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.